Hi there! Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna look at those AirPods Max. There's a bunch of reviews already out there. It's not a new product, but every once in a while those earbuds start to smell really badly. So today I'm gonna show you how to clean them up, or how I clean them up. There's not really an official guide, but I figured out a way to clean them very easily. So let's go and do that. You probably already know those things are magnetic. So yeah, Apple doesn't really provide a good way to clean them, and buying fresh ones all the time, not an option. It's already a very expensive product, so the way I clean them, it's very easy. A bit of hand soap, a bit of warm water, put some soap on them and start to soak them in the warm water. Make sure to not use hot water, and then basically just rub the soap in. Nice and easy. Alright, and then I just let them soak for about an hour, and then you take them out, push the water out, and let them dry for about 2 days. Make sure that they are entirely dry, otherwise there's gonna be issues with your product. Alright, there you have it. 2 days later and they are completely dry. After 1 day I simply turn them around, both sides get equally dry, and that's about it. So that's how I clean the earbuds for the AirPods Max, and you're good to go to use them again. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any better cleaning ideas. Of course, feel free to like and subscribe if it was helpful to you. See you around.